The 2013 Ram 1500. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this truck refuses to compromise. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, heated door mirrors, and cruise control. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.